Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I was finally able to kill the bone dragon at 406,000 waves. So today, I'll show you my build, and the whole run. Let's start. Bone dragon has 30 billion hit points, so Altar of Death deals an insane 6 billion damage. By the way, if you wonder why I use 1x game speed, it's because it makes it easier to press abilities faster and minimizes time loss. That's why the run took me 13 minutes, D. But I don't want to waste your time, so I'll speed it up.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
And I finally killed him after 13 minutes. It needs a bit of effort, but feels rewarding. Now, let's talk about heroes, items, and other stuff. Altar of Death is the best altar against dragons. Always use it when fighting them. Bar is optional since it only affects slingers. You can use the tower or the forge instead of it. Always use Stoss promotion instead of Smith to against dragons. It's much more effective. Dark Bowmaster is our main damage dealer. Always give her critical damage or chance items. Zeus is also one of our damage dealers. Give him some cooldown items for better damage output. Dark Assassin must equip attack speed items that helps him to provide his debuff more often. He's a key hero for our build, because he can also deal with the ground monsters. Slingers are crowd controllers against ground mobs. Always summon them right after the dragon's ulties. Same for Dorothy. And Giant Ogre is also a crowd controller. Blue Defender for increased defense. And Dark Elf will be our healer. She's a very good hero for dragon fights. And we have Thor here. But unfortunately, he dies instantly. Give him an orb like that, so he can be useful at least. Set Thunder Tower's AI to ground, because it can deal with the ground monsters well. And here is the treasure set. I use defensive treasures mostly.
Tide rages around like an ocean in my head.
Don't use web because it doesn't work against dragons.
I can almost
And this is our skill tree.
walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
So, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching till the end, and also thanks for your support. See you on the next video. Goodbye.